Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Chevy Traverse battery. First, prioritize safety by wearing protective eyewear and gloves. Make sure your vehicle is completely turned off and the parking brake is firmly set. Before you begin, take a moment to locate the battery. In a Chevy Traverse, it's often found under the hood or sometimes in the rear cargo area, depending on the model. This preparation ensures a safe and smooth process. Now, let's disconnect the battery. Using a 10mm wrench, carefully loosen the nut on the negative battery terminal. It's crucial to remove the negative cable first to avoid any accidental electrical shorts. Once the negative cable is safely out of the way, proceed to loosen and remove the positive terminal cable. Always keep the disconnected cables from touching any metal parts of the car. With the cables disconnected, it's time to remove the battery itself. First, locate and remove the battery hold-down clamp or strap that secures it in place. These can vary, so look for a bolt or a strap. Once the hold-down is off, carefully lift the old battery out of its tray. Remember, car batteries are heavy, often weighing between 30 and 50 pounds, so lift with your legs, not your back. To install the new battery, carefully place it into the battery tray, ensuring it's seated firmly. Reattach the hold-down clamp or strap to secure it. Now, connect the positive cable first, tightening the nut, and then connect the negative cable, tightening that nut as well. Double-check all connections to ensure they are snug. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to keep you refreshed on the go. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.